In this video we'll be counting down the top 5 D&D races as voted for by Facebook. In 5th place we have the Dragonborn. Dragonborn are a unique race that are part human and part dragon. They have scales and breath weapons that vary depending on their colour. They're known for their strength and toughness, and they can intimidate their enemies with their draconic presence. However, they can be a bit inflexible and lack the versatility of other races. In 4th place we have the Halfling. Halflings are small and nimble, which makes them great at dodging attacks and sneaking around. They also have a natural look that helps them avoid danger. However, they're not as strong as other races and can struggle in combat. In 3rd place we have the Dwarf. Dwarves are tough and resilient with a natural resistance to poison and disease. They excel at mining and crafting, and they're great fighters who can take a lot of punishment before going down. However, they can be a bit slow and lack the agility of other races. In 2nd place we have the Elf. Elves are known for their grace and speed, which makes them great for ranged combat and scouting. They are also very wise and have a natural inclination towards magic. However, they can be somewhat fragile in close combat. And in 1st place we have the Human. Humans are the most adaptable of all the races, with no real strengths or weaknesses. They can be anything they want, from warriors to wizards to rogues. They also have a natural curiosity and drive to explore and achieve. However, they don't have any unique abilities or powers, which can make them less exciting to play for some people. So there you have it, the top 5 D&D races as voted for by Facebook groups. Each race has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that best fits your playstyle and character concept.